Here in the Delta, we know you never step in the same river twice. As far as the rushing waters of the mighty Mississippi River are concerned, that is her truth. Since the 1700s, we have been preserving America's first steps into this region, from the pristine shores and bluffs of the Mississippi to plantation homes and historical markers along the neighboring National Scenic Byway. From the lifestyle and time-honored traditions passed down through generations to the nature preserves with hunting and fishing. The Mississippi River. Oh, she has a secret, but she just ain't telling. You may not step in the same river they have over the centuries, but we have preserved a little bit of everything they did so you can experience the history and nature of our mighty Mississippi. Mississippi's great river road, the river, the road, the rhythms, America's Scenic Byway.